This week we've been sent these HAYLOU GT6 Bluetooth 5.2 TWS earphones. They are specified as having an apparent 5.5 hours music playback time. I'm sure it may be a tad bit lower in reality. Obviously, that is with us using 100% volume. We will indeed be testing this aspect out later on, but they do have a swift charge time though, of 1.5 hours. Now, because they only cost as little as £20, that's 28 US dollars, can these Apple AirPod alternatives really be that any good? I mean, after all, after a few sponsored YouTubers praise them and give them 5 stars, are they true to their word, or are they talking rubbish? Well, we will certainly see. First of all, inside the box, all we have provided is quite simple protective packaging. Not that good really, but hey, nothing amazing. But placed inside, we have it's kind of really short. It's a short Type-C charge cable. We have a simplistic user manual, and oh, okay, I wasn't expecting that. That is a real nice charge case. Nice in that matte white colour, with that HAYLOU logo embedded to the top. The charge case itself is very compact, with a Type-C charge port to the right hand side. It does have a sturdy magnetic lid with a built-in 310 mAh battery that takes up to 2 hours to fully charge from flat, which by the way will supply you with an ample amount of earbud recharges on the go. 20 hours they state. The earbuds, which also come in matte white, well, they do come in a black colour tone too. They do sit well within those deep embedded sockets, they are magnetically pulled in, and they do stay locked in place. Hardly no rattling around, and overall that case does sit very discreetly and comfortable within my pocket, not sticking out and not being too obvious. Looking closely at the GT6 earphones, again I must admit they do have the same aftermarket design that many companies do basically throw out there, with these GT6s looking very AirPod-ish. Nonetheless, they do have a good look about them. They have built-in 12mm dynamic drivers, a semi-in-ear design, they are really light, weighing 3.9 grams, and these particular earbuds today, I'm pleased to say, come with the very latest Bluetooth 5.2 chip, which hopefully will provide fast and stable connection. So far everything's looking promising, but let's go ahead and let's try them in. Yep, okay, initially they do not seem that bad. They are very comfortable for now. They certainly don't feel like they're gonna fall out anytime soon. But do we have auto pairing? Let's place them into the charge case and place them back out again. Yes, we do. Right out of the charge case they go into pairing mode, so let's go ahead and grab our phone to connect to. Okay, let's search it out, and there it is. HAYLOU GT6. Let's select OK, and we do also get a battery indication on screen too. Righty then, let's go ahead, select some songs, and let's get cracking, shall we? Let's test them out. Okay. Hang on a sec. Is the volume up? That doesn't seem loud whatsoever. It's at full maximum volume. Am I going deaf? What's going on? Oh my days. Now this is certainly shocking, especially as a lot of reviewers rated these 5 out of 5. I mean, this is totally ridiculous. Okay, there's some bass, it's not really powerful, not punchy enough, but the treble again is really, really low. The only thing I can say about the music right now is that the mid-tones are not too bad and the low tones are crystal clear, but wow, I just feel totally let down considering that the case itself looks nice and slick. And the earphones themselves also have a good build too. This has really shocked me, and it's sort of put my review in a halt, I think. I really want to say something good about this audio right now, but at least the treble and the mid-tones, they're not all over the place. It's just that every single thing seems to be just a bit low. I mean, the outside world, I can hear absolutely everything. There's no sound seal. Polarity? Yeah, the polarity is pretty good. It's spot on actually. But we're going to have to test out some of the functions, so let's test them out. So you've got play pause, call answering, which is one single tap on each earbud. Now, have we got the previous and next track selection? Let's check that out. Yep, we do. Let's check out if we've got voice assistant. 2, 3. We do, but no internet access. Oh, I've not got my Wi-Fi on, so... Okay, but what is a shame is we've not got any volume control. So, unfortunately, it's not my preferred setup when it comes to touch controls. But when it comes to the microphones with these earphones, we're going to simply make a quick call. After making a call, I've got to be honest, there's no delay when it comes to the Bluetooth connection. The conversation did flow, there wasn't no delay with the voice on the other end. But with regards to my own voice, it was reported back to me that my voice was a bit muffled. With regards to the conversation I had from my end, because the volume is quite low, it did sometimes sound a bit distant. Yep, unfortunately, no, they will not make it into my top 10 alternative earbuds. After a few days using these HAYLOU GT6 earbuds, I've got to say they do have their uses. So for instance, while watching movies on my TV, that low latency mode was a really good aspect. We have 66 milliseconds of low latency, which will deliver sound in sync with what you are watching, or indeed playing if you're playing any video games. But when it comes to that music listening time, well, we are supplied with an ample amount. We recorded 3 hours 45 minutes out of that 5 hours that was specified. That is, by the way, using 100% volume consistently. And we did also get past that initial 10 meters Bluetooth distance before that Bluetooth signal cut off. And well, overall, in whole, even though we were given a well-designed, good-looking package, really splendid-looking earphones, and a nice snazzy charge case, they did lack in a few other areas. So for the audio, like we mentioned, we are only going to give it a 5 out of 10. For comfort, we're going to give it 8 out of 10. They did feel fairly comfortable, and they didn't feel sweaty within our ears whatsoever, sticking within our ears in fact. But for functionality, again we're going to give a 7 out of 10, with our overall rating for these HAYLOU GT6 earbuds being, well, 5 out of 10. And that's to be generous. So yeah guys, it's up to you. You can go and check the specs out, check these earphones out for yourselves, look at other videos on YouTube if you want, but we have tested these earphones over the past 2 to 3 days. Now check that link out should you wish in the video description down below, and if you've liked what you've seen today, well, why not go get yours. Please go ahead and smash a like on this video, I'd very much appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now I hope you liked this video today, and stay tuned for some more tech reviews coming this week. As usual, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!